Yeah, I think it's time for me to upgrade my tread because this would not be fun to try to recover from. I've already slipped I don't know how many times, but it is super slick in here. As you can see, there's another slip point there. And it's time for me to get better tread because this is not fun to slip in, fall in. I've done it.
It doesn't feel good.
Good morning, everyone. So today, as you can see, it's a very rainy day, but not only that, it's our very first cold day, all day here at Wild Rose Haven this fall. And this means that it's time for me to try my new Bogs. Right, because my old shoes, well, they're not cutting it anymore, especially in this sort of weather. Everything's all slippery and muddy and just no. I don't have any traction, and I've been slipping, and the last thing I need to do is twist my ankle again. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these out today and tell you guys what they're like. Wild Rose Haven Homesteading. Alright, so this is a quick look at them. This is one of the reasons why I wanted to change these out too, is because they have a little bit of a higher side here to keep them a bit more waterproof for me. They have like a neoprene in between this section here as well, so they have that little extra stretch for your foot when you put it in. I ended up getting it in the sage green this time just because I wanted to change up my color as well of my shoes. I normally get black, but this time I thought, why not try the sage green? It's really pretty. It's like almost like a dark, like a foresty green color, which I like. It looks a little bit lighter in this light as well. It's darker here where I'm at. Anyhow, the other thing I was really interested or wanted was and needed. This is really deep tread here. It's almost like a hiking boot tread in a way, which I desperately need for where we for the duck area especially, but we have a lot of muddy area here on our property anyway, so this is a nice transition. They had a higher one called the Chelsea boot, which I'd like to get. You know, they're at like a Croc level as far as price is concerned. I got these for a really good price, so, and I desperately need them, and I use them all the time, and this was the only shoe out there that I could find that had this sort of tread on it as well. So, you know, it was kind of like one of those things where I had to just bite the bullet, make the investment, and get what we really needed to be able to make sure that we can at least walk around more safely in the duck areas, especially. Luckily enough for you guys, today I have to wear socks, so yeah, because you know what, seriously, I know it's supposed to be Halloween here soon, but I don't want to scare you with my toes. Okay, ooh, first impression when I put them on is that, wow, these are super comfy, and I like the way they actually snug up around your heel area, like almost it's like a slip-in clog, like a high clogged heel, but it's snug. I like that. That's cool. So it's not like they're just, you know, slipping around in there as you're walking around. And there is they have shock absorption too, which is awesome for those of you who have feet issues, or you know, you're going to be wearing these all day long. These just feel like they're going to be pretty comfortable. So let's go ahead and put them out in the weather and see how they do. All right, so I'm out here in my bogs, and this is the muddy area I have to worry about when I walk in. And I don't feel like when I walk in here, in this muddy area especially, like I'm gonna be slipping. Like I could walk in that. Holy smokes! Look at the tread on that. Yes. I was doing this, and this was happening in the other shoes. That's what was happening. And I tell you what, that is not a good feeling. But I don't get that in these. These actually, I was walking around feeling like I'm not gonna. Let's see. This is the other area here, right here. I slipped in those other shoes, and these just they're grabbing. Nice. Oh, you don't understand, y'all. It's taking me. I'm just now getting to the point where I can be able to start jumping up and down on this ankle. I did myself a mischief a few years. It's been a few years, like I don't know, maybe 2-3 years, and it's just taken forever for it to recover. And now I've just gotten to the point where I can do a little bit of workouts where I can be on it for at least a minute without it feeling any pain. So, oh my goodness. That's why it's like I gotta make sure this does not happen again. So yeah, these feel like they're holding on. Right here, yeah, with this stuff right here. Oh look, I'm gonna try to. Nice. Okay, I think that these are gonna work. Holy smokes. All right, let me get inside and get myself out of this rain now. Okay, so the bogs held up. I'm so excited. And I didn't have any traction issues, like even here, where this can get really slippery at times. I don't have that issue at all. I feel the grip. So now I just gotta go ahead and do our little brush them off before we take them inside. Ooh.
Y'all come back to Wild Rose Haven where we're doing